Hey, what's going on, guys? Jay, that drain guy. We're in an apartment building today and we need to snake out the laundry washing machine main drain. So I did do some prep work before I turned the camera on. I removed all the washing machines from the wall. I accessed the clean out down here, which we're going to be snaking. And I hooked up the hot water into this discharge line so that we always have water running while we snake. Keeps the cable clean, keeps the drain cleaner as well, just because you're washing the cable and everything washes down basically. All right, that's that. Just gonna throw a second set of gloves on. So this building is actually in Oakville, Ontario, about a half an hour west of Toronto. So the management's been saying that the machines have been flooding out. So that tells me it's, and they said it's all the machines, so that tells me it is the main drain, not just the individual discharge lines like this one up here. Because what happens, this comes down, it traps, comes across. Same thing with this one here, comes down, traps, comes across, and right around here there's a T. There's the vent going up and then the drain going down. And when you start snaking the discharge lines, it's going to hit that T and it's going to go straight across. You're going to have a really hard time going down. So they installed this clean out so that you're able to do that. Snake the main this way. 30 feet. There's 45 feet so far. That was 60 feet. How's it going? Well, so the clean out was right here. I just had to make this little hole here. Somebody plastered over it last time, I guess. I'm almost 75 feet in. Clean out that way. Is there?
No, I don't know.
Oh, okay. This one's good. Anyway, this is probably better because now we know we get the whole run, right? Okay. So I'm almost 75 feet in. So we're well within the main. I'm just going to finish off this cable and then start pulling back. I got the water running the same time to kind of wash everything down. Yeah. We're good to go. Thanks, buddy. Thanks a lot. No, I appreciate it. No, but when you're in the pipe, right, like you're gonna get lint build up, stuff like that. You're not gonna feel it because it's so soft. We'll see if I pull anything back, and then we can even I can hook up a hose to each line and see if anything does back up or anything like that. If that's the case, if we do find that there is a drain backed up, we may need to snake the actual individual lines, but I don't think so, but we'll see. Thanks a lot, Randy. All right, that's 15 feet out. Alright, that's 30 feet. That's 45 feet. That's 60 feet. And that's 75 feet. Alright, now we're going to hook up some other hoses just to get some water rushing through all the lines, and then we'll see if everything runs good. Close up the cleanouts. Alright. So there you go, guys. This has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Dragna.